Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session on GCP Portfolio. Cloud computing continues to grow rapidly, and professionals with the right skills are in high demand. Among the leading platforms, Google Cloud has built a strong reputation for innovation, scalability, and advanced services. To help learners and professionals build expertise, IP Specialist offers a portfolio of Google Cloud certifications, from beginner to expert level. In this video, we'll explore these certifications, understand how they fit into a learning path, and see how you can choose the right track for your career. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you've subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Now, in today's competitive IT landscape, certifications are more than just credentials. They validate your skills and prove you can work with real world technologies. Google Cloud certifications, in particular, have gained strong recognition because of the platform's rapid adoption across industries. Organizations are choosing Google Cloud for its advanced data analytics, artificial intelligence, security, and cost effective solutions. This means professionals with Google Cloud expertise are in high demand. Whether you're aiming to start your cloud journey, move into specialized roles like data engineering or security, or take on leadership positions as a cloud architect, GCP certifications provide a clear pathway to achieve those goals. They not only strengthen your technical knowledge, but also boost your credibility, career growth, and earning potential. So, now that we understand the importance of GCP certifications, let's take a closer look at the certification themselves. At IP Specialist, we understand that mastering Google Cloud Platform requires more than just theoretical knowledge. It requires structured practical learning. IP Specialist offers a complete portfolio that covers every level of expertise, starting from foundational knowledge for beginners, moving into hands on technical skills at associate level, and finally advancing into specialized professional certifications. So, whether your goal is to become a cloud architect, specialize in data and security, or pursue a career in DevOps and development, IP Specialist provides the right learning resources to help you achieve your certification and career objectives with confidence. Each IP Specialist study guide and training resource is carefully designed to align with the official exam objectives. The content is presented in goal oriented, step by step approach, enriched with real world labs, case studies, and hands on scenarios. This ensures you're not just preparing to pass the exams, but also building job ready skills that you can apply in real environments. All IP specialist courses come packed with valuable learning tools to help you succeed. Each course includes a comprehensive study guide to guide your preparation, along with carefully crafted practice questions to test your knowledge. You'll also get handy exam cram notes for quick revision and mind maps that simplify complex concepts. To gain practical experience, there are hands on practice labs designed to simulate real world scenarios. Real life examples throughout the course make learning relevant and easier to grasp. Plus, the courses come with free updates to keep the content fresh and aligned with the latest exam changes. And to top it off, you'll receive expert exam tips to boost your confidence and help you pass on the very first attempt. Now, let's explore each certification in detail. The first step in the GCP certification journey is the Google Cloud Digital Leader certification. This is a foundational level certification designed for anyone who wants to understand the basics of cloud computing and how Google Cloud Services can support business objectives. A cloud digital leader can explain the key features of Google Cloud's core products and services, highlight their business advantages, and discuss real world use cases where cloud solutions drive through growth and efficiency. This certification is ideal for beginners, non technical professionals, or anyone looking to build a career in cloud computing. It demonstrates that you understand how Google Cloud enables digital transformation and supports modern business needs. The course content at IP Specialist is structured to help you pass the exam confidently on your first attempt. Here are the core areas this certification focuses on. By completing this certification, You will gain a strong foundation in cloud concepts and a clear understanding of how organizations can use Google Cloud to achieve their goals. The next step in your GCP journey is the Google Certified Associate Cloud Engineer certification. This is the entry level technical certification that validates your ability to deploy applications, monitor operations, and manage enterprise solutions on Google Cloud. An associate cloud engineer is skilled in using both the Google Cloud Console and the command line interface to perform common platform based tasks. These include managing deployed solutions, working with Google managed services, and handling self managed resources in the cloud. This certification is ideal for anyone aiming to start a technical career in cloud computing and looking to build the hands on expertise needed to confidently pass the Associate Cloud Engineer exam on first attempt. The IP Specialist course for this certification covers the following key topics. So, by earning this certification, you demonstrate the ability to build, deploy, and manage scalable solutions in Google Cloud, making it the essential stepping stone before moving on to professional level certifications. At the professional level, one of the most sought after certifications is the Google Certified Professional Cloud Architect. This certification validates your ability to design, develop, and manage secure, scalable, and reliable solutions on Google Cloud. A cloud architect is responsible for planning and coordinating Google Cloud implementations within an organization. With this certification, you gain a deep understanding of GCP services, management tools, compute resources, security, and the ability to address complex businesses and technical challenges. Professionals who achieve the certifications are well positioned for advanced roles such as senior cloud architect, cloud solutions architect, cloud consultant, and many other leadership positions in organizations that rely on Google Cloud services. The IP Specialist course for this certification is designed to help you succeed on your first attempt and covers the following essential areas. So, earning this certification demonstrates that you can align technology solutions with business objectives, making you a trusted expert in guiding organizations through their cloud journey. Another professional level certification is the Google Certified Professional Cloud Developer. This certification focuses on building scalable and highly available applications using Google Cloud's recommended tools, services, and practices. Professional cloud developers are skilled in working with cloud native applications, next generation databases, and managed services. They are proficient in at least one general purpose programming language, and they know how to produce metrics and logs to monitor, debug, and trace code effectively. This certification is ideal for candidates aiming to grow their career as cloud developers and prove their expertise in designing, building, and maintaining applications on Google Cloud. IP Specialist course prepares you thoroughly for exam and helps you build real-world job-ready skills. These are the main topics you'll explore throughout the course. So, by earning this certification, you demonstrate the ability to create modern, cloud native solutions that meet business needs while ensuring high performance and reliability. Next, the Google Certified Professional Cloud DevOps Engineer certification is designed for professionals who want to ensure efficient development processes while balancing service reliability and delivery speed. A cloud DevOps engineer is responsible for designing software delivery pipelines, deploying and monitoring services, and managing incidents effectively. They apply Google endorsed methods and tools across entire systems development lifecycle, from building and testing to deployment, monitoring, and continuous improvement. These experts play a critical role in keeping services reliable while enabling rapid innovation. They create and manage pipelines for software and infrastructure delivery, optimize performance, and make sure that live systems run smoothly. This certification is ideal for candidates pursuing a career in cloud computing with a focus on DevOps practices. An IP specialist course is designed to help you clear the exam on your first attempt. The IP specialist course for this certification covers the following key topics. So, earning this certification demonstrate your ability to bridge the gap between development and operations, ensuring that applications are delivered quickly, securely, and reliably on Google Cloud. Next, the Google Certified Professional Cloud Data Engineer certification is one of the most in demand credentials for professionals working with big data and advanced analytics. It validates your ability to design, build, and operationalize data driven solutions on Google Cloud. A cloud data engineer is responsible for creating and managing data processing systems, ensuring they are scalable, efficient, and secure. They also work with machine learning models, integrating them into production environments to support business decision making. This role combines both technical expertise and problem solving skills to turn raw data into valuable insights. So, this certification is ideal for candidates aiming to build a career in data engineering, analytics, and AI driven solutions. IP Specialist course provides a structured path to help you pass the exam in your first attempt, while gaining the practical knowledge needed to succeed in real world projects. So, these are the main topics covered in the course. By earning this certification, you demonstrate that you can leverage Google Cloud's powerful data and AI services to transform raw data into meaningful business outcomes. Moving on to the next course, that is the Google Certified Professional Cloud Database Engineer certification. This is designed for specialists who focus on building and managing reliable, scalable, and high performance database solutions on Google Cloud. A cloud database engineer is responsible for designing, implementing, and maintaining databases that can support complex business applications. They also handle migrations, manage multi database environments, and ensure that databases remain scalable, highly available, and secure. Professionals with these certifications are well prepared for roles such as senior cloud database engineer, cloud database architect, or database lead, making it an excellent choice for those who want to specialize in the data management domain. This course is ideal for candidates looking to grow their careers in cloud computing and confidently pass the Google Certified Professional Cloud Database Engineer exam on the first attempt. The IP Specialist course for this certification covers the following key topics. So, by earning this certification, you demonstrate your expertise in modern database technologies and your ability to deliver secure, scalable, and efficient database solutions in real world enterprise environments. The next certification we have is the Google Certified Professional Cloud Network Engineer certification. This is designed for specialists who focus on implementing and managing network infrastructure on Google Cloud. A cloud network engineer works closely with cloud architects and IT teams to design and optimize network architectures that are secure, scalable, and reliable. They use the Google Cloud Console and command line tools to configure and manage services, ensuring smooth connectivity across cloud, hybrid, and multi cloud environments. This role requires expertise in VPC design, application and container networking, hybrid connectivity, and network security, all critical elements for successful cloud implementations. The certification is ideal for professionals aiming to build a career in cloud networking and validate their skills by passing the Professional Cloud Network Engineer exam. IP Specialist course prepares you step by step to succeed in your first attempt. The major topics covered in this course include the following. So, by earning this certification, you demonstrate your ability to design and manage advanced networking solutions that keep business applications secure, connected, and high performing in the cloud. Next, the Google Certified Professional Cloud Security Engineer. This certification is focused on helping organizations design and maintain secure workloads and infrastructure on Google Cloud. This role requires a broad understanding of cloud security, covering areas such as identity and access management, organizational policies, data protection, network defenses, incident response, and adapting to evolving regulatory requirements. A cloud security engineer uses Google security technologies to build, develop, and manage secure environments while ensuring compliance with industry standards and best practices. This certification is ideal for professionals who want to specialize in cloud security, and validate their ability to protect systems and data in Google Cloud. IP Specialist course is carefully designed to help you pass the professional security engineer exam on your first attempt. This certification is structured around these key domains. So, by earning this certification, you demonstrate your expertise in safeguarding cloud environments, ensuring compliance, and protecting critical business assets against modern security threats. Now that we walked through the certifications, let's talk about how you can actually approach your Google Cloud certification journey. Since many learners prefer a structured path, I'll share two options that you can choose from depending on your career goals. First is the generalist path. If your aim is to build broad cloud knowledge and move into leadership or consulting roles, this is the route for you. You'll start with Google Digital Leader certification to establish your foundation, then move to Associate Cloud Engineer to gain hands on skills in deploying and managing solutions, and finally, you'll progress to the Professional Cloud Architect, which validates your ability to design and manage enterprise grade solutions. Next is the Specialist path. If you already know you want to dive deep into a particular area, this path gives you flexibility. You'll begin with the cloud digital leader, then take the associate cloud engineer for practical knowledge. From there, you pick a specialization, whether that's data engineering, security, networking, or DevOps. This path lets you tailor your learning to the specific role you want to pursue. Both approaches give you a clear roadmap, whether you want to become a well rounded cloud generalist or focus on being a domain specialist. Google Cloud certifications provide a structured way to build skills and advance your career. Now that we've explored the different Google Cloud certification domains and possible learning paths, let's shift our focus to what truly matters: market demand and career impact. Cloud skills are among the most sought after worldwide, and Google Cloud continues to grow rapidly as organizations move towards multi cloud and hybrid strategies. Professionals with Google Cloud certifications are in high demand, especially in industries like finance, healthcare, retail, and technology, where scalability, security, and innovation are top priorities. To give you an idea of the career potential, entry level roles supported by certifications like the Cloud Digital Leader and Associate Cloud Engineer often start with salaries in the range of $60,000 to $80,000 per year. With professional level certifications such as cloud architect, data engineer, or security engineer, professionals typically advance into mid to senior level cloud roles, where salaries can range between $100,000 and $140,000 annually. And for highly specialized professionals, such as cloud DevOps engineer or networking engineers with hands on expertise, compensation can exceed $150,000 per year, depending on experience and the complexity of the role. These certifications are more than just credentials, they serve as a career accelerator, validating your skills while giving you a competitive edge in today's cloud driven job market. Whether you're just starting your cloud journey or aiming to specialize in advanced areas like data, networking, or security, Google Cloud certifications open doors to diverse opportunities and leadership roles across the IT industry. So, as we wrap up, remember that Google Cloud certifications are more than just credentials. They're proof of your expertise and commitment to building a strong career in cloud computing. Whether your goal is to become a cloud architect, a data specialist, or a security expert, these certifications guide you through structured learning paths and open doors to exciting opportunities worldwide. By now, you have seen the different certifications, the learning paths, and the career impact they can create. The choice is in your hands. Whether you want to take a broad approach or specialize in a niche area of cloud computing, Google Cloud certifications give you the platform to grow. So, are you ready to unlock your potential with Google Cloud certifications and take your career to the next level? It's your turn to decide where you are in your career journey and choose the certification that best fits your goals. Start with the foundational level if you're just beginning, or move straight into professional certifications if you're ready to specialize. Enroll in IP Specialist Google Cloud certification courses today and gain the skills, confidence, and credentials to stand out in the ever evolving world of cloud computing. You can also purchase our books directly from Amazon to reinforce your learning and stay exam ready. That concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is very valuable to us.